Which one, John?
This one is rain check direct.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Rain check?
No, this one's called arachnophobia, right?
Arachnophobia.
Arachnophobia.
This one right here? 5'7"?
Yeah, it's that one, right? The 5'7"? Yeah, 5'7". You ready?
So, yeah, he's right.
Seems right.
I remember that from yesterday.
No, man. You're not right.
Yeah,
I'm right. I'm right.
What is it?
It's this one, rain check direct.
Rain check direct?
So,
5'8"?
see this line here?
Yeah.
See this ball here? Is this ball?
Yeah, because there's that like
Yeah.
flat face, like
Flat
right
face.
there.
Okay.
This one, you start there and you go to the right. This is like in the diameter. So, this number 3.
Okay.
Yeah. This number.
You sure, John? Because this one right here.
We have 3 guys here.
You sure? This one right here is called,
Zip it.
no, that's not zip.
Let me show you.
Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Alright.
See this slab here? See this roof here? Is this roof.
You don't need
You agree?
Okay.
I think it's
I like the confidence. Alright, starting.
This arch here. Look.
You got it. Look for your feet. Good.
This arch here. It's that.
There we go. It's not bad at all. Actually.
Don't tell me it's not. Come on.
Okay. What do we got?
Yep.
What is this rock?
I know there's a secret little foot right in there.
Yeah, to the right. So you want to work your way up the crack. This is pretty
my
good.
foot
If you
there.
get there. You got feet all over.
Grab this. Oh. Hit the GoPro. There we go.
I'll give it to you. There we go. You get the, so you get the high feet if you want. And then remember, don't use
My
the
foot up
nose
here.
with the X on them, alright? Nothing with an X.
We are gonna
Keep going.
pull this all the way.
Work your way
This
up
hold.
that crack right there.
This is
Oh, you
good.
got it almost done.
More left and higher.
Use that. It's like tap
And then that's it.
Alright, all good.
Alright. Ready?
Tap the
The
drum.
beater of the entrance.
Yep, it's like tap them. That's it. Alright,
Nice.
all good. Got you. I got you.
Alright.